I gave it to my brother, said keep this safe for me. He said I guard it with my honor, then drank it by the sea. I asked the local landlord, I begged him for a night, but every place I trusted most would never treat me right. I even asked the priest one time if he'd keep it out of sight. He said, I'll guard your soul, my son, but not your drink tonight. No, my wife and the whiskey barrel, a battle load and true. I hide it here, I hide it there. She knows just what I do. Now every married man in town will laugh and shake his head, for every fool who hides a drink has a woman there instead. You can hide it in the cellar, you can bury it away, but a wife who knows your habits will find it anyway. Oh, my wife and the whiskey barrel, a battle old and true. I hide it here, I hide it there. She knows just what I do. So raise a glass to merry boys, the finest wife I'll know, for she finds my whiskey faster than I ever find my own. Yes, Mary finds my whiskey before I even